Oh man, what a cool experience. I just had completely unexpected and unplanned, but I'm glad I took the chance. Behind me is an airfield. Okay, I'm in Ladysmith for the day, and I'm here to pick someone up to take back to Dundee, and I figured let me come in an hour or two earlier, explore Ladysmith a bit and see what I can do. And I was driving around, not searching for anything specifically, and I drove in, and as I drove in I saw the airplane and I thought, let me take a chance. And the pilots were here, and I asked them, can I take a few pictures, can I film a bit of b-roll? They had no issues. They actually gave me 5 minutes because they were on the way back to Johannesburg, and they allowed me to do this. Now granted, it's not the best footage, it was unplanned, and I've actually never done airplanes before, but it was still an experience. Now, the basic takeaway here is simple. Always take chances. But it's more than that. When Coenie Torlage asks you to go on a photo mission last minute, you go.
Let's just get a drone with a pop battery in the air. Jy gesien die Engels kan praat hier nie.
So Coenie, what did the kids shout as soon as the drone took off?
I can't remember what they shouted, but they shouted.
Yeah, the drone took off and we just hear this high ball. So this is what I'm talking about. It's just going out and not really planning a lot of things. There's certainly a lot of opportunities to actually go out and do planned activities, like going out on a holiday. You have to plan where you're going to sleep, where you're going to stay, what you're going to eat. But there's other opportunities that you just have to say yes to and see what happens.